This is what happened to my cough. This morning, I was coughing and hacking bad. Then I began to doubt myself. Maybe I've got the bug, the real bug. Maybe I picked that up in Las Vegas or on the plane or in the airport. Got the bug. Got me thinking, maybe I got the bug. So I went over to the pharmacy, which isn't that far away, about a 5-minute drive. I asked the pharmacist, I says, can I get a COVID test? I said, no. He says, you have to go online and sign up for it. I said, okay. So I went home and I went online. It's Walgreens. I went online for a COVID test. Oh, and I asked the pharmacist, I said, look, I've got insurance. Does that pay for it? He says, yes. Okay. I go home, I go online, Walgreens, to sign up for a COVID test. It's supposed to be free. Okay? I get to the end, they want me to pay for it. They want a credit card. I said, what's going on here? This is supposed to be free, yet they want to charge me. My insurance company knows it's free. The Walgreens are pulling some kind of stunt. And you can't just go to Walgreens and get a COVID test. No, you have to do it online. And then you have to pick up a kit or they'll send it to you. But either way, whether you pick it up or they send it to you, you got to pay. So I'm trying to figure out how to get my free COVID test. I'm due that. I spent about a half hour putzing around with that website. Got nowhere. I just abandoned it. I spent over a half hour playing around with that site. And guess what happened? My cough went away. I don't know what happened, but me playing around with that site for a half hour made my cough go away.